Hi guys, it's Kevelynjones here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach y'all how I do my twist out plus the stretch method because we all know the shrinkage is real. So if you would like to achieve this look, keep watching. First, we're going to start off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. Of course, it's going to be damp. And I'm just being goofy, so don't mind me. All you are going to need is moisturizer, hair clips, and bobby pins. Right here, I'm just sectioning off my hair. You can section off your hair however you'd like. Just do it to where it's not in your way when you're trying to do your twist out. I typically do a piece around this size. Just remember, the smaller the piece, the more defined the curls will be. Now you're going to take your moisturizer and you're going to moisturize that piece. And make sure you get the ends because that's very important because they tend to frizz up. And now you're going to divide your hair into 3 strands and 3-strand braid the roots. And this part is important because it really helps with stretching it out. So you want to get a really good grip. This part is very important. And now you're going to divide your hair into 2 strands and 2-strand twist it all the way to the very end. And once you get to the end, just twist it in little coil curls. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps for you guys. I'm going to say this again for the people in the back. Do not forget to moisturize your ends, y'all, please. Well, alrighty, I'll be back with the rest done. Now that I look like a mixture of Travis Scott and A$AP Rocky, let's get to the stretching method. You're gonna take a piece and stretch it over to the root of another piece and bobby pin it to the root. And now I'm going to repeat that step again because that's what all the other YouTubers do, and it is helpful, so. And now you'll just watch me do the rest of my head. If you come across a piece that's too long, no worries. Just bobby pin half of it to one root and then bobby pin the end of it to another. Okay, I'm bald. Okay, so make sure you leave the ends free when you're stretching it because you don't want to stretch out the coils. And now we're going to wrap it up then, And, I'm just glad to be done. And, now we're going to go to sleep. Bye. Hi. Now it's time to see what we've worked so hard on, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to remove the bobby pins. Doing this part is so scary because it's did it turn out good? Did I just waste my whole night doing this twist out? But obviously it did because I'm posting this video. What am I doing? And then I realized I shouldn't have done it. To untwist, you're going to add moisturizer to your fingertips because we don't want no frizz. We don't want the frizz. The frizz isn't our friend, And just do it carefully, y'all. Please do it carefully because you don't want all of your hard work to go to waste. But look at the curl pattern and the shine. Wow. And repeat it all over your head. And at this moment, I realized that I look like Rick James. So that's great. Don't forget to keep your fingertips moisturized. Oh, okay. I noticed some growth, so yeah. Look at that, y'all. Come on. Okay, I forgot one. And then I forgot another one. What? Okay, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. All right, cool. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna carefully separate each piece. Carefully. I'm so serious. And you're just going to get it to your desired volume. You can have it flat, you can have it big. And now I'm putting it in the style that I want. Style that I want. And just playing with it. It's just, you just gotta keep playing with it. I'm not trying to be cocky, y'all. But look, y'all, are y'all seeing this? Just let your soul. No. If you don't know what I was singing, we can't be friends. Like, you haven't watched Coming to America. Well, I don't have much time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I hope you like what you see. Bye.